Hello, folks. Good afternoon. Welcome to this episode on Techie Investor. Before we get started, I just wanted to give this disclaimer. All the information presented in this video is for educational purposes only. You can use this information for your trading decisions, but you're solely responsible for your decisions. So having taken care of the disclaimer, a lot of people have been asking me, is NVIDIA is done with the run? Is it in a downtrend and those kind of questions. So I just wanted to share my thoughts on where NVIDIA is heading to based on the charts. Okay. So if you look at this, NVIDIA has been going up from the bottom of this year from 108, and it has been in a very good uptrend up to the point of 974. The 974 was formed on the week of March 4th. And then it went to formed a lower low of 841. And from there, it has been going up for the past 2 weeks. If I draw this channel, which I've drawn from the swing highs and the swing lows, the good part about today was it didn't get below this channel. It is still above this channel, even with the kind of a downward move that we had in the morning. Of course, the SPY and QQQ came back. How it's coming back, that's a discussion for another video. But if you see here, it has stayed above here. Now, I was expecting this move and I had calls, 1,000 calls, NVIDIA 1,000 calls for next week, not for this week. Why? Because I saw that this has been fell for 2 weeks, and I was expecting at least 3 weeks to form a higher high. So that's why I was expecting this. But yeah, basically I paid a little bit of premium, but I'm still expecting it to go here. And along the way, I might dollar cost average it and then get it back. But having said that, I am getting into, so what we have to look at here is, as long as it stays above 901, the first resistance point is here at 1,005 or 1,000, so we might see 1,020, close to 1,020, 1,017 or something like that, maybe next week. But it has a potential of going up, but I'm not sure about that unless it breaks this line and goes above this. So ultimately, if 87.5, it can go up to here, 1,253. But again, I'm keeping my fingers crossed. Don't want to think too far. So I wanted to just talk about the next week, which is 1,001. So to answer the question, I still think the trend is intact, and NVIDIA didn't form a lower low. So we are still heading higher. So hopefully it will happen next week. That's all I wanted to share in this video. I will catch you in the next one.